Why does your scanner show the P0473 engine code? What does it mean? P0473 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure sensor A, circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM uses this sensor to monitor the pressure in the exhaust system, typically on diesel and turbocharged gasoline engines. This code is considered serious and requires diagnosis to avoid potential engine damage. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust pressure sensor. Clogged or restricted pressure lines. Damaged wiring or connectors. Blocked exhaust system. EGR system problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.